back. Let's see where it lands.
What happened to my window? Who kicked that ball?
It was me, sir, but I swear I didn't mean to break anything.
That window will be expensive to repair. Do you understand how serious this is?
Yes, sir. I'm really sorry. I only wanted to play for a minute.
He made a mistake. Then pay for it.
Dad, I'm sorry. Dad, I'm sorry. I caused trouble for you and Mom again.
You made a mistake, son, but we'll face it honestly. Mistakes don't define you.
I'll make it right. We'll help you.
I can't stay weak. I must change.
Then start tomorrow. We're beside you.
We don't have enough.
I'll find more work.
I can help too.
This still isn't enough.
Start again tomorrow. Don't lose hope today.
I'll keep trying.
I made this for you.
I'll keep it here.
Noah believes in you.
I should believe too. Tomorrow, I start training.
Start slowly. Keep going.
Maybe I'll start tomorrow.
This is tomorrow.
You're right.
Take it slowly. I only need to begin.
You already look tired. I still came. This place isn't for weak men. Then I'll grow stronger. You won't last inside. I'll still try. I don't know where to start. Come in. I'll help.
Everyone here looks stronger than me.
Don't compare. This is your beginning.
I feel out of place. You belong here. Stand tall and relax. This feels better. Relax your shoulder. Like this? That's better. Why are they so heavy? Your muscles are learning. Keep your elbows still. I'll try again. I might fall. Look forward. Walk slowly. That was very hard, but you finished.
Did you finish, Dad?
I finished my first workout.
You didn't give up.
Tomorrow, another star.
Ow, my shoulder. I need to be careful. Okay, let's try this.
One more, Dad.
One more.
You can do it. Dad, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Can you repair this chair? Yes, I'll be careful.
Daniel fixed it.
Yes, he did.
This will help us.
We keep moving forward.
Together. You got up quickly today.
I'm building a new habit. Your arms are steadier now. I can control them.
Do I look strong?
You look very flexible.
Dad, you look stronger.
I'm still learning, son. That's the same beginner. He kept coming back. You really changed. I kept trying.
This is real strength.
Daniel doesn't show off. How did you find it?
I looked carefully.
Can you save this cabinet?
Yes, the wood is strong. Lift slowly with me. You've become stronger.
We can breathe again.
We keep moving forward.
One day at a time.
Pull with your back. I feel it now. One more. Make it controlled.
Does it show our path?
It shows north. We choose the path. See the needle, Noah? It always points north.
Wow, it's magic.
It's science, buddy. Come closer, Ethan.
Can I really look?
Sit beside me.
How does it know? It always finds north.
Look, it moved. Ethan, come here now.
I was only learning.
Again, don't stop.
Dad, my arms hurt.
He said it hurts.
I want him stronger.
Not like this.
Place your foot here.
Ethan, come play. You're not angry?
No, just play safely.
Pass it back.
You played very carefully.
Thank you, Daniel.
Keep the original design. I know someone's skilled. Can you repair this? I'll inspect it first. All right, let's move it inside. The wood can be saved. Then please save it.
Daniel, please eat.
Yes, I need a break.
The crack is gone.
The wood is strong again. I judged you unfairly. You can still change.
The workshop is full.
Let's keep working well. Keep your chest high, slow and steady. Look how far you've come. I finally believe in myself.
Is training finished?
No, it's part of life.
And you kept going.
You never gave up. I kept returning.
Good. Use your full strength.
I'm getting stronger.
You became much stronger. You taught me patience. Are we ready, Dad?
We'll enjoy it together. Take it slowly.
We can do it! I'm stuck.
Hold my hand.
You're okay.
I can push it alone. Take your time. Are you all right? Yes, thank you. Together is easier. You're right. I'm sorry for everything. Let's begin again. Good morning. Come inside. Turn it slowly.
I'll be careful.
Let's train the neighborhood. I'd be honored. Move slowly. Keep breathing. Good job, everyone.
A little left.
I have it. Good. Set it down.